we live?
Yeah, I will.
Ayan.
So we heard that there are
Yes,
And then,
yes.
but before that,
yeah.
that was damn by
SB.
us. By us.
Of course.
Because
yeah.
we are
SB19.
SB19. Yeah.
So we heard that there are also listeners from different parts of the world.
Yes.
So for today,
Wow, 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 wow.
we'll try to speak in English so that it will be understood by many.
Yes. Oh, wala nagsalita.
Okay. So, yeah, our album is SAW.
Yeah, that's
So,
right.
yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah.
If you like it, so what? So you just heard them, and please share your thoughts using our hashtag for today. Hashtag SB19 SAW Spotify Listening Party. Yes. Again, thank you so much for joining us today because we are the first ever local artist to have this listening party, and we are very honored and grateful to be doing this with Spotify Philippines. Thank you so much.
Wow.
And right now,
Let's talk about
we are going to talk about the next song entitled Time. So,
So Ken, you said earlier that your favorite song in the album is Time.
Yeah.
So why not share
your thoughts.
Share thoughts about
Share
time.
my thoughts
Yeah.
about time. Time is very, very relatable to a lot of people, and it really
Yes.
resonates
Yes.
with a lot of people, not just in our country, not just in the Philippines, but for sure, definitely outside the country too, because like people been through a lot of like struggles in life, so I think it's very, very relatable, and it's very heart touching, heart wrenching kind of song.
Yeah.
That's why I really love the song because of the lyrics and all that.
And you
So
can
let's play that.
And you can also watch Time music video on in anywhere. You can watch the music video anywhere you like. Just watch it and feel the song. And if you want to listen to the music, go to Spotify and listen to it. Yeah, stream it. Yeah. And because of that, we are now going to play Time.
It's time to listen to Time.
Yeah.
It's our Kuya's time.
Yeah.
It's his moment.
The man behind.
Yes.
The man behind Justin. Beside. I'll go,
Yes,
Josh.
the man
Introduce
with
the
the
next song.
The man who can't be moved.
Well, yes. Did you enjoy time? Your time.
Yes.
Yes.
Wow.
Because they're
So basically, the next song that we will be playing, hindi pa pala. Well, yes, actually, yes. The next song that we will be playing is all about well,
Heavy 8-ton is.
ano?
Basically, it's about like how heavy an 8-ton ball is. It's like 8,000 kilograms.
Okay, correct. Okay,
Correct.
correct. So it was all about our visions and our struggles, and yeah, that's it. I made it with another producer. He's a famous producer, and our workflow was very seamless, and I really enjoyed making it.
Yeah.
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 Yun lang. Ano sasabihin ko? So,
Yeah.
Yes.
Introduce the next
So,
song.
yes.
oh,
Why
yes.
not read some questions? I am reading a lot of
Oh, yeah.
Sob and
Oh.
Josh Cullen.
Kaya mo yan.
Hi Snowball. Yes.
No, not snowball. 8-ton ball.
8 snow ton ball. All right. So, without further ado, do we do that?
Without further ado, and a 3. No. Let's all listen to 8-ton ball.
So what?
Ngalay na ngalay.
All right.
Yeah, and that was
Eight-ton
Eight-ton Ball.
like
Wow.
crashing on the ground.
Yeah, swerve.
Na-enjoy nyo ba yun, guys? Yung 8 on ball? If na-enjoy nyo,
they enjoy that.
mag-send kayo ng mga emoji ng balls.
Like swerving as well.
Meron di ba emoji yung basketball?
Yeah.
Diba?
Eh, maganda sila.
Oh my God, you guys!
Billiard na ball, yung black.
Black ball.
Ayan, ayan. O, tingnan mo natin sa emoji ng balls.
Yan.
Yung number 8
Ayan.
na ano,
I really
billiard
enjoy the
ball.
song.
Yes.
Yung swerve diyan kasi swerve kayo ng swerve.
Yeah.
Yes. Right now we have 15,500
Calories.
listeners. So
Alright.
For sure
For the-
ako.
yes, for the newcomers, you you wait lang.
Naalala ko.
Okay, for the newcomers, you can share your thoughts dito sa ating listening party by using the hashtag SB19 SAW Spotify Listening Party.
Yeah.
Yes.
Excited na ako na ma-perform natin yung mga songs natin sa concert. You wanna know why? Kasi yung setup ng stage natin merong mosh pit. So
Yeah.
talagang magsisigawan, tatalunan at sasayawan tayo dito.
Gagano-
Can you imagine?
gagano ako sa stage, so, hey, back up, back up, back up.
I think my long time dream will happen in this concert.
Yung gusto mo
Stage dive.
stage dive.
Pero walang tao sa
Pero sa barricade bagsak mo.
That's fine.
Okay na sa'yo. Imagine yung choreos ng mga songs na to. Naku, imagine niyo lang. Kasi wala pa eh. Imagine niyo lang.
Sa ano pa, before the... ano pa?
Mag-aaral kami ng choreo, mismong concert. Before we step on the stage, we will learn the dance. But yeah, for the next song, ako excited ako dito sa song na to. You wanna know why?
You tell me.
Because,
You tell me.
Come on.
you wanna know why?
Yes.
Why?
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 Tell me. Tell me.
Why you wanna know? Hindi, kasi itong song na to is something that's new for us. Different genre for SB19, and I think a lot of our casual listeners also looking forward on us doing this kind of genre. Yeah, so that's why we are here with the creator, with the writer
Yes.
of this particular song entitled Donka. No, entitled Quit. Quit. So I'm very excited to ask some questions. Ken, can you say something about the song?
I already explained time. I think it's Justin.
So what's the main reason? Yes.
Never quit.
Oh yeah. Short but
Never say never.
ayan, short but
but quit.
never say never.
Actually, kama yan eh. Di ba meron tayong period?
Yes, quit. Na-joke na
Quit
yan.
naman.
That's
Ano ba yan?
quit.
Visit ka talaga.
Ayan.
Yes, but you
As-
know what
yeah.
quit means?
Yeah, what?
It says that we are all equal.
So?
Quit.
Quits.
Ikaw talaga, Justin, ang quit mo talaga. Anyways,
All right.
we're excited for you guys to hear this song, and to our 16,000 listeners right now. Again, thank you so much for joining us today. But before anything else, please do enjoy this song entitled Quit.
Don't quit.
Bakit nga ba?
Because ever since
Bakit nga ba?
we're doing
Tell me.
paper songs.
Kasi nga baka ano siguro, baka napapanahon lang.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Baka napapanahon lang.
Yes.
But it was a good first try.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yun na yun.
yes.
Okay.
Now, for the next song, why not talk about it, Pablo?
Hindi, siya sa Dungka. Siya sa Dungka.
Okay. So who's gonna talk?
Ikaw na ganun.
I think, let the 18 talk. Sige,
Okay.
kayo mag-explain. Hindi, for
the stars.
the next song, Shooting for the Stars.
Siguro,
Mm.
quick trivia lang. This song was supposed to be in Pagtatag because it was like showed to us by August beforehand. That
Ito yung
time.
kasabay
Yeah.
nung...
So I was thinking if this will go sa Pagtatag.
Tsaka
But-
August na sinuwi, no?
Yeah, but I thought Freedom was the better
for
choice
Pagtatag.
during that time.
Or nag-
So yun lang.
But
Yes.
ano nga, nagma-match din yung mga songs talaga. Parang per era, per EP, meron silang anong tawag doon? Meron silang
Counterpart.
counterpart
Yeah.
each EP. So parang ito nga ay talagang super match.
But when I first listened to this song, even though it has a very vibrant vibe, it
Mm.
made me cry. Somehow it felt like yung era natin nung Go Up.
Mm.
Ito yung ano
The
niya.
same vibe
Yeah.
about dreams and also yung bridge part where we go silent tapos very solemn yung pagkanta. It wasn't supposed to be that way, right?
We change it.
We changed it to somewhat like an intimate
Ganun ba?
take,
technique
yeah.
yun.
Yeah.
Ayun lang.
Yeah.
Kinanto ko.
Yeah,
Wala
but
ba kayong input?
yeah, we hope na whenever you listen to Shooting for the Stars, always remember na everyone will have their special moment and their perfect timing, and you will also shoot for your star. So, yeah, i-shoot nyo lang ng i-shoot. Yeah. So, this song is Shooting for the Stars. Shoot mo ang ball. Let's go. Ngayon gusto ko na gawin yung ano ko mga star. Anyways.
Hirap magsalita kasi
Again, hello to our 17,891
Wow.
listeners.
Lapit na
Grabe.
tayo sa 18,000 for 18.
Di ba sabi mo 810?
810.
Yeah, padagdag tayo ng padagdag. Malapit na tayo sa ating 810,000.
Yes, Asian. Wow.
Yeah. Kakatuwa naman. This is our first time doing this and parang we are very sa mga susunod na araw and of course sa aming simula at bukas kick off. Grabe. Super excited.
Pero bago yan, of course, for our newcomers, you can share your thoughts using the hashtag SB19SAW Spotify Listening Party. So we can
Yeah.
read it sa ibang platforms.
Ay, sabi nga, ano daw, trending daw number 1. Tama ba?
Wow.
Trending number 1? Busy siya, pero yes. Oo, yes. Yeah.
And now we're down to our 6th song. It's called Dungka.
Ooh.
Oh, Dungka. What does that mean? You tell me.
Yeah, dongka just means that you're poop.
Ay, hindi. Pero kasi di ba yung the word
Ano?
Dong.
I think
Ah.
in I don't know in English other language it means poop,
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
Anyway.
But yeah.
So for the 6th song, syempre we wouldn't finish the whole EP without a party song.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Dapat meron.
So for this last track, it's a party track. Just a quick story. We made 4 demos. Me and my brother made 4 demos, but this track was the only one na nag-caught ng attention namin. So, we were thinking about something very naughty and like kind of like an earworm that you will like keep hearing when you first heard the song. So ayun po yung naging parang paano ba? Naging dahilan kung bakit Dungka yung track
The
na yun or yung
spark.
beat na yun yung napili ko na pang 6th track. The song is basically about
doing what you want
yeah,
and telling people if you don't like us, then go away.
no, go away.
Just like Dora.
Swiper, no swiping.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yes. So Pablo said it's something naughty, so it might be a coffee naughty.
Coffee, not me.
Tung 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 sahur sahur.
Cappuccino,
Cappuccino
ballerina.
ballerina. Anyways, yeah.
Nanny
So the next song
Gasque.
is Dungka, but before we play the song, again, thank you so much for joining us. We are now we have 18,198 Spotify
Wow.
premium account listeners. Thank you so much for joining us today. But yeah, again, we are very excited to see you guys on our upcoming kick-off concert in the biggest indoor arena in the world, Philippine Arena. Yeah. But yeah,
It's on.
that will be on May 31 and the day 2 on June 1. If you have time, please do buy tickets for the day 2 concert. It's still available. Just search for official SB19 or SB19 official.
And syempre,
Ano?
So you just
dahil
okay.
Ano?
What are you going to say?
Oh, may nag-request o acapella daw. Oh.
Stop it.
Hindi, tinabi ko lang.
stop.
Wala sa atin naman
Yes.
kung gagawin natin eh. Pero no. Sorry guys. Ayaw nila.
So you
ayaw
just
nila.
listen to the whole Simula at Wakas EP by SB19.
Yay!
I hope you guys enjoyed the whole experience and please use the hashtag
SB19 SAW Spotify listening party. Thank you so much.
So
And-
after listening to the album, maybe your thoughts will be different now. Because when we first started, they said that in the poll, they all
like the songs.
like the songs, all of the above.
Yeah, it's
So
yeah.
now comment the song that you really like from the EP Simula at Wakas.
But if you like it all, there's no problem. But if you have like favorite one,
All of the above pa rin. Meron quit, meron time, meron dungka, meron.
oh yeah.
Yes.
And of course, for those who haven't availed our concert
Yes.
for day 2, it's still available.
Yes. Yun nga.
Go.
Since we have our concert, Simula at Wakas World Tour kick-off on May 31 and June 1. Yung June 1 po ay still available.
Yes.
Yeah. So you can visit our social media accounts for more details. But if you were lucky enough, watch out for the giveaway from Spotify.
Uy, there
Something
is.
special to look forward to.
Yes. Grabe.
I'm
no?
so excited din kasi grabe nung pinakita to tapos pinreset. Grabe, kinilig talaga.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
Yes.
Iba si
May
Spotify.
pag-giveaway.
May pag-giveaway. So yun yung
Yes.
dapat yung abangan.
At hindi lang yun.
Alam niyo
Hindi
gusto ko
lang
na
yun.
magsalita parang
Ah.
tigilan niyo ako.
Kasi may malupit pang kailangang abangan na pa-surpresa si
Basta.
Spotify na very exclusive
Mm.
dito sa Spotify.
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa
Ito yung
inyo.
talagang hindi ko
Oh,
alam eh.
Huwag mo na sabihin, Justin. Maawa ka, please.
Ano sabi Pablo? Anong lasa? Hindi ko alam eh.
Hey, speak English. There's a lot of like people from other universes watching.
Yes.
Listening.
So, yeah, stay tuned for another experience from Spotify
Yeah.
this coming May 23.
Ooh.
Surprise. So,
Do you have any idea what's that?
I have.
I
Well, I don't want to share.
I think it's something
don't wanna miss a thing.
very
Juicy daw.
interactive.
They said spill the tea.
No,
Spill
we
the
don't.
tea.
TEA.
Spill the tea.
Yes, you just
Yeah.
spelled the T.
Yes.
Hey,
That's really
but you
great.
have to. What you have to say it first. Spell T. T. T-E-A. T.
Yeah, amazing.
Yes.
Life changing.
Wow.
Yeah.
So save the dates, May
Yeah.
23. And of course, we just want to reiterate, June 1, the second day of our concert is still available. Please do watch the show.
Yes.
Mhm.
Again,
Yes.
thank you so much everyone for joining us today. We have 19,116 listeners right now. Again, thank you so much for
Wow,
listening with
that's a
us
lot.
today. We really enjoyed our time with you guys, and we hope that you really enjoyed our EP. And please do share our music with your friends, families, and your loved ones. Yes.
Dogs.
If you
Cats.
liked what you listened to, watch us in our concert.
Yes, because we will be
Yeah, we're very
performing
yeah.
everything for the first
Yeah,
time.
of course,
Yes.
there's no better experience than experiencing the music
Yes.
live.
And we're very excited to show everything, especially the
Yes.
choreographies
The-
of each song.
The visuals,
The
the,
visuals,
stage,
the production, and everything.
the
It's really-
surprises,
yeah, it's giving
special performances by SB19.
Special people.
Yeah. So
Yes.
that's it, guys, for today.
Yes,
Again, thank you
thank you.
so much,
For
and
tuning in.
we hope you enjoyed your time with us, and we hope to see you again next time. And again, thank you Spotify for doing
Yep.
this with us. Thank you so much, and yeah, have a great day, everyone. Thank you. We love you.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Yes,
Bye.
Again.
Spotify listening party.
Yeah,
Thanks.
thank
Bye,
you.
guys.
Thank you, everyone.